and hello everyone. Good morning children. Force, energy and simple motion. That is the name of the lesson. In that lesson already we have seen about force, types of force. Okay, types of forces in that already. Frictional force, muscular force, elastic force and mechanical force. Yes children. So from our today's session, we'll try to learn about gravitational force, magnetic force, beyond force. Yes, let me tell you about this force. First, gravitational force. See your children, with question I will going to start. Okay, I will raise question in front of you. Listen. See here, you might have studied about the fruits, leaves. Why fruits and leaves is going to be fall down from the tree? That is the question. When it's going to be detached from plant, why it is going to be, yes, fall down on the ground, as well as while playing. Yes, any of you have an experience about the, yes, football. Yes, no, see here, as well as while playing ball, you are going to throw the ball. Yes children, while going ball, what happen? Yes, first it goes up, after that, yes, it will come down. Yes, it's going to be fall down on the ground. Why it is so? Because it's going to be attracted. Yes, it's going to be attracted by some things. Okay, listen. Now, gravitational force. I'm going to tell you about gravitational force. Listen, what happening is going to be attracted. All those things is going to be attracted with force towards itself. It's called the gravitational force. Okay, so here each and every things is going to be attracted towards itself. Yes, see here, earth is it can attract all those things towards itself with force. Yes children, with force is known as gravitational force. Listen, earth is can attract all the object towards itself. Yes, this force of attraction is exerted by earth. Yes, this force is exerted by earth is known as gravitational force. So because of the gravitation only, all those things is going to be attracted by earth. It's going to be fall down on the earth. Yes, listen. So as well as here, so tree, small tree I have drawn here. From here, listen, fruits is going to be fall down on the ground. Why is it so? Means because of gravitational force. Okay, so here each and every object is going to be attracted with force. It's exerted by earth, which is known as gravitational force. Yes children, listen. Next, magnetic force. Magnetic force. Okay, so here, so you know that about the magnet. Huh? You might have played about magnet. Okay, so here even the magnet also is going to be exerted some force. It's known as magnetic force. Okay, already we know the properties of magnet. It can attract iron. Yes children, yes, it can attract iron. That's why we are playing magnet with the iron metal. Yes, no, see our iron metal, it can attracted by magnet. Yes, that is also one of the properties of magnet. Yes children, so not only iron is going to be attracted, even other magnetic properties also it's going to be attracted by magnet. Yes, already we know that magnet have two poles, north and south pole. Yes, so here the two poles, so it's going to be attracted. North and north pole is going to be repulse each other as well as north pole it can attract yes, south pole. Okay, so same pole is going to be repel each other, opposite poles is going to be attract each other. It is the one of the properties of magnet. Yes children, see the magnetic force is going to be magnetic force from here, so a little certain distance, the magnetic force is going to be, yes, going to be act. Okay, so there you can see the magnetic force around the magnet. Yes children, so we can find out means through the activity, yes we can prove that, we can yes children, we can find out that. So magnetic force, it's exerted by magnet. Yes, magnet. Yes children. Next is here, after that beyond force. Huh? Beyond force, listen. So beyond force means it's a upward force. Okay, the upward force it's exerted by fluid or water, any liquid. Yes. Example, see, take a bucket full of water. Okay, so in that water we can try to dip a beaker, small beaker, empty beaker. Yes, or a mug. You can take anything, beaker, mug, jug, whatever it is. No, you can take it and try to dip into the water. What happens? We can realize the opposite force. That means it's exerted by liquid. It's exerted by fluid. Okay. Yes, children? Yes. Here, take a bucket full of water and try to dip a mug or a smaller beaker into with its mouth. Mouth up. What happens? As you try to immerse or dip it, you feel an opposite force from where? Yes, we can see. We can realize the opposite force from a liquid, from water. Yes, children? From water, since the opposite force applied by water is greater. This force is greater than the weight of mug. Yes, so you are ready. We are having, yes, no, empty mug. So if we compare the weight of empty mug, it's a less. Yes, compare than the empty mug is lesser than, the weight is lesser than the quantity of water. Yes, children. That's why we can realize the force from water, opposite force from water. Yes, children, see again. The opposite force applied by water is greater than the weight of mug. So the mug is pushed up. That's why the mug is again it will come up. Yes, no, the empty mug, yes, it will come up. Yes, to the surface back as soon as you release it. So this upward push of water on the object immersed in it is called the beyond force yes, beyond force. Yes, children. So this force, what happened is because of this force only is going to be opposes the weight of your fully immersed object. Yes, we are trying to immerse the empty jug, empty mug into water. Okay, so instantly we can immediately we can realize the opposite force from water. That means opposite force is exerted by a fluid. Okay, so that force is going to be opposes the weight of the fully immersed object. That's why empty beaker it will come up. Okay, it will become it get back. It's come up to the surface of the water. Yes, children. Okay, so next yes, okay, forces, type of forces over children. So frictional force, muscular force, elastic force, mechanical force, gravitational force, magnetic force and beyond force. Okay, these are the types of force. Okay, so what is meaning of force and what are the types of force I have told. Okay, if you have any doubt is there, you can send me message for me. Okay, I will explain. Okay, again. So next we want to see about the energy. Yes, children, energy. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Bye.